We'll guide you through how to bold text in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To bold text in Figma, begin by locating the Figma application icon directly on your computer screen and launching it with a quick double-click. Once the program opens, open up your current design project directly from your dashboard so you can begin editing your file. After the project loads onto your screen, find the text layer you want to change on your canvas and click on it once to select it properly. If you only want to bold a specific word or section instead of the entire text layer, double-click inside the text box and drag your mouse across only the words you want to highlight. For the fastest method possible, press Ctrl+B on your keyboard, or Command+B if you are using a Mac computer. As soon as you use the shortcut, watch your text instantly switch to a thicker and bolder weight directly on your design canvas. If you prefer using the side menu controls instead of keyboard shortcuts, move your attention over to the right-hand side of the screen where the Properties panel is located. Scroll downward through the available settings until you locate the section clearly labeled Typography. Right below your font name, you will notice a small text box that probably says regular or medium by default, depending on the font you selected. Click that weight box once to open a complete list of all the available font styles for your current typeface. Scroll through the drop-down list and select bold, or even black if you want your text to appear extra heavy and dramatic. Keep in mind that if you do not see a bold option in the list, it simply means the font family you are currently using does not include a built-in bold style. If you ever decide you want to remove the bold formatting, simply press Ctrl+B or Command+B once again to toggle the effect back to normal. Finally, click anywhere on the empty gray background outside your design canvas to deselect the text layer and preview how it fits into your layout. Glance at the top of the screen to make sure everything is fully saved. Then press Ctrl+S or Command+S on a Mac to manually lock in your progress safely.